What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am heading off to work. I am testing out the GoPro Hero 10 and with the media mode on to see how the audio and everything is set up with a new generations of GoPros. Like, everybody should know what GoPro I'm already using. I've been using for a while now the GoPro Hero 7. So I have this one, same thing, Hero 7. Sorry guys if the audio gets kind of windy or turbulent. I am on the highway. But I'll talk to you guys a little bit more when I'm off. Right now it's going to be really windy and I can feel the wind going into my helmet. And at the same time I'm in a hurry to get to work because I am a bit late right now, so Alright guys, I'm off the highway. Hopefully I can speak now. But like I was saying, I am heading after work. I am testing out the GoPro Hero 10. I have no ND filter on, just pretty much all the settings are preset. Right now I'm actually shooting at 4K 24 frames a second. That's just how it looks like. Probably I'm not gonna do a lot of editing with the color. If I don't like it, I'll try to change it a little bit, but we'll see how it comes out. But yeah, I'm heading into work. This whole month has been hectic with hours, so I am capturing up some hours that I need, plus I need the money. I need to pay off the GoPro. It ended up being around $500, but that's with the media mod, the SD card, 64 gig. But yeah, I might upgrade it to a bigger card to record longer, because right now when I started it, it told me that it's gonna be an hour long that I can record. But yeah, so right now, if I can turn around, I'll be the golden hour, because the sunset is coming up. You can be able to see. But hey guys, hopefully the footage on the highway came out okay, and it's just not changing at all, nothing in the settings. I think the only stuff that I kept was I changed up the frames per second and the actual 1/48. I think I changed that. But everything else is going to be a neutral color, or natural they call it, for the new GoPro Hero 10. The audio is coming from the actual lavalier that I have connected to the media mod. But right now I'm just testing it out and see how it looks like. Then I'll post up the footage if I like it or not. But it should be good. Right now just waiting on the light. Alright guys, if you made it this far with the video, I know it's just not a lot of talking, just testing out the footage. Hopefully you guys like it, how it looks like. But alright guys, if you like this kind of content, like, comment, subscribe. The likes help out the videos a lot. So alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.